In my crease area. And I want to do it like a all matte eyes, because I want my lips to be like a metallic-y, glossy look. So that's what we're aiming for today. Matte eyes, metallic-y lips. That's the goal for today with the makeup look that we're doing. Next, I'm gonna go in with fudge. And I've had a lot going on in my personal life, but when I'm more comfortable talking about it, I'll talk to you guys about it and all that stuff. And because I'm not really comfortable talking about it right now, but I'll let you guys know as soon as I'm ready to talk about it. I'll make a whole video about it. But as for my channel is concerned, I will be doing more different videos now. I'm trying to get my channel a little bit more diverse, and somebody have been telling me to do this for a very long time, do more commentary videos, and I've been very, what do you say, what would you call it, stubborn, and not wanting to do it, not because I'm scared to do it or I'm scared of others people's opinion, but it's a bit out of my comfort zone. Yeah, it's very out of my comfort zone actually, because when I started my YouTube channel, it was basically just about fashion and makeup. So leaving that, it's feel like I'm leaving all that I know, and I'm stepping into a whole different arena. So yeah, it's a bit scary, but I gotta put the big girl's panty on and do what I have to do, because I've been on YouTube for a long time and my channel haven't been growing the way that I want it to grow. So I've been getting a little bit of mentoring and stuff from nobody else more than SoFlo TV. He's been telling me to do commentary videos from God knows when, and I've been real adamant, like, oh no, I'm not doing no commentary videos because of this stuff, XYZ. But now I'm more open to it. I just had to get out my own way basically, because that's what I was doing. I was in my own way. And you know, anytime you step out your comfort zone, it's a bit hard. It's very hard actually, because people are always gonna have some shit to say, especially when you do commentary videos. I've seen it plenty of times where people are being disrespectful for no damn reason. And I'm a person like this. I don't take bullshit and I don't take the BS. You can have your opinion and we can disagree to agree and whatever, but you're not gonna come on my channel and try to disrespect me or disrespect who I am, because you really don't know me like that. You see what I want you to see basically. You see what I allow you to see. So if you see a little 25-minute vlog or a little 57-minute video of a live chat, you really don't know me. You don't know me as a person. You have never been around me um in person to know who I am and what I stand for. So people on the internet have their internet fingers and they can talk about all the shit that they want to talk about, but for real, they don't know me. So now I've been learning not to take shit so personally, because I used to take a lot of stuff personally, especially with collaborations and stuff. I take shit personally because people always want to come for you and talk bullshit and they don't know you. And I'm a person like this. I don't put up with fuckeries. I don't put up with the bullshit, especially if you're somebody that I really don't give a fuck about. I don't care about your fucking opinion. I'll just be like, okay, fuck it, go suck your mother, bitch, and that's what it is. But I know now that you can't do that, because a lot of people have their opinions, but they say it in a very respectful way. And if you're saying in a very respectful way, I can, yeah, we can talk, we can disagree to agree. But if you're trying to come for me or say some disrespectful shit to me, then you just may get a suck your mother. It is what it is. But now I know different. I don't even entertain that shit anymore. All I do is block and delete, like Alkaline said, block and blood clot delete. So yeah, I don't even have time for it anymore. And I don't want any negativity on my channel either, because negativity breeds negativity. So once you have one negative comment on your channel, then somebody else is gonna come on there and talk about, oh, I agree, I thought I was the only one that said this, or I thought I was the only one that think this, and all that other shit. You know how people are with their opinions, and they always think that they're right. That's the funny part about it. And people get so invested in other people on YouTube. It's crazy. People actually think that they know you from you doing YouTube videos. Excuse me, I'm taking out like my detailer brush. People actually get so invested in people that do YouTube videos that they actually are willing to get into arguments with other people that know these YouTubers on a more personal level, have been around them physically and know them and know what they're about. And other people that don't know them, just see them on the internet, think that, oh, this bitch, I know him, so I'm gonna pick up for him or whatever. Oh shit. Yeah, something always gotta fall in my videos. If you guys don't know anything about me, yeah, y'all know that. But yeah, and it gets annoying after a while. Very annoying, because I'm just gonna put some Carmex on my lips because they're dry as hell. Not knowing that people only show you what they want you to see on YouTube. You just get a glimpse into people's life, and y'all really don't know the real deal, how they feel, because we don't want y'all to know the real deal, how they feel. There's something that people on YouTube just gonna keep private, and there's something that they don't give a fuck about and they can let the world know about. And people don't get that. They think that, oh, I watch his video, I've been watching him for like 6 months, I know his whole life story, I know him, all that. Nah, you really don't know nobody here on YouTube, because you don't know them in person or in real life. You see what the person actually wants you to see. You see what the person puts out there for you to see, basically. Yeah, y'all know them to a certain extent, but you don't know them fully. So I'm gonna get some concealer and just cut my crease. And if you guys didn't know, this is my first time doing a cut crease, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. And look at that shit. I got it all over my damn face. All over my eyeshadow already. But that's just how it goes when you do makeup. um you always it's always a learning process. I don't know why I didn't use a more drier formula concealer, because this concealer right here is very creamy, so it's gonna cause a lot of issues. I'm gonna use a more drier concealer because that one that I just used was too creamy. I'm gonna use the LA Girl concealer. I was just using a Rimmel concealer, which you guys will see soon, because that's one of the new products that I'll be using in this video. And as I was saying, people get invested into other people on YouTube and act like they know them because they've been watching their videos for how long they think they actually know people, and they know their life, and they can tell this and tell that. And also people, especially women, especially Caribbean women, I realize that they have this fucking complex here on YouTube that they think every woman is like them, and every woman fears them or fears their opinion. But honestly, I'm one of those women that don't give a fuck what anybody has to say. I live my life according to me and not to anybody else norms and what people think how I should be living my life, or none of that. And they have this hateration shit in the black community, especially where women is concerned. I don't understand why the fuck black women have to be um so angry toward each other and always spewing hate toward each other. Like, you can see a black woman doing good and actually be happy for them. Like, something is very wrong with that picture right there. So now I'm gonna go in with Shamrock Green, and this is from Coastal Scents. As you guys, this video just ended randomly, so I need to hurry up and do what I'm doing. So this is Shamrock Green from Coastal Scents. Yeah, black women have this complex. I don't know if they think if they see another black woman doing better than them or doing good, they feel threatened, or what it is. But I've seen it more and more every time I'm on YouTube, especially. But it is what it is. You can't change people, you can't control people, and I've learned to understand and accept it for what it is. It's life. You can't control people and their internet fingers nowadays, because everybody wants to be internet trolls these last days. But if there's nothing you guys know about me, know this: I'm not one of those YouTubers that's gonna sit here and act like everything is peachy keen or I'm perfect. Nah, I slip up just like anybody else. I'll tell you to suck your mom in a fucking instant. So don't try to come for me, especially when you don't know shit about me. But yeah, that's my take on that. As I was saying before, I'm gonna do a lot more commentary videos. I'm preparing myself for the bullshit, because if you guys don't know, my opinions on certain things is very different. I view things in a very different light from other people, and I know when I start expressing some of those feelings, some of those thought processes, everybody's gonna be in their fucking feelings. I already know this. Nobody gotta warn me. So yeah, the eyes are almost done. So I'm gonna get a wet paper. Not a wet paper, a makeup remover. What am I talking about? And I'm just gonna clean up the fallout, because I have a lot of fallout. Clean up all the mess that's on my hands. I'm gonna go back in with my Morocco and Fudge eyeshadow on the lower lash line and just blend out the lower lash line. Just get it in there. Get it in. Blend it out. But yeah, you guys can prepare to see more commentary videos. A lot different stuff about to be hitting my channel. I hope you guys are alright with it, and I'd like to know your opinion, what you think about commentary videos. I don't even know why I did my lower lash line already without putting on concealer, but it is what it is. We're just gonna roll with it. Roll with it. Roll with it, Shakira. Yeah, and now I'm gonna get the Scandalized waterproof kohl liner. I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Oh shit. So now I'm gonna wipe off the excess lip balm. Now we're gonna get into it. We're gonna go in. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes last. So I'm gonna use this. Nah, I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this lip liner pencil, and this is from LA Girls again. I'm gonna line my lip. Get into it, get into it. And this is just a brown pencil. I don't even see a name for it on here. My damn lips are so chapped. Now I'm gonna get this True Matte lipstick, and this is from, where the hell, who is this from? Sparkling Stone, and this is from the beauty supply store. I don't even remember what brand it's from. It doesn't say, but let's get into this need right here. Yes. This is exposing how chapped my lips are, but oh well. Go back in, get it together. Now we're gonna go in with this Shine Shot from Maybelline. Give our eyes a bit our lips a bit of. Yes! Oh my god, come through, come through with the Shine Shot. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Yes! Metallic-y goodness. So now I'm gonna go fix my hair and put on my eyelashes, and I'll come right back. Okay. So now the lashes that I use are my Salon Perfect Go Glam Multi-Pack. Gosh, these are gorgeous. They are freaking gorgeous. Now I'm going in with my mascara. This is the Miss Manga mascara. Lashes and my falsies, and just squeeze them together. So you